Chapter 4 The Whispering River. The narrator explains that Leah, Mac, and Zara walked along the glowing path until they reached a calm, shining river. The water began to whisper gently. The river spoke softly, saying, "Welcome, little traveler. I am the Whispering River." Max reacted with surprise, saying that a talking river made this forest unbelievable. Zara reminded Max to listen, saying the river wanted to teach them something. The river continued, explaining that each of them carried a secret wish, but that wishes needed wisdom and choices guided their destiny. Sparkles Leah's truth. The narrator describes how the river created a glowing reflection of Leah. In the reflection, she helped a hurt bird, but she also hid her own sadness. The river told Leah that her heart was full of kindness, but she pretended to be strong even when she needed help. It reminded her that even helpers need someone to lean on. Leah admitted quietly that she hid her feelings so others wouldn't worry.
Funke Max's truth.
The narrator explains that a second reflection appeared, showing Max running fast, slipping, and then trying again. The river told Max that his courage was bright, but he rushed without thinking, and that real bravery listened before it leaped. Max confessed that he just wanted to protect everyone, but he knew he acted too fast. Sparkles Zara's truth. A third reflection appeared, showing Zara standing behind a rock, watching others shine. The river told Zara that she wanted to be confident, but she doubted herself too often and reminded her that even a small light could guide many. Zara admitted that she wanted to be brave, but she always felt too small. Sparkles the challenge. The river then said they could only cross if they chose one truth together, one truth that kept them united. Leah suggested that the truth was that they were stronger together. Zara agreed, saying they helped each other and lifted each other up. Max added that teamwork was their real strength. The river replied that they had chosen wisely. Sparkles crossing the river. The narrator describes how the water glowed and formed a shining bridge. The children held hands and crossed safely to the other side. Zara pointed out that a new path had appeared. Max excitedly said they should follow it because their next adventure was waiting. Leah finished by saying, "Together, just like we promised."